The flow of your right nostril means the air which passes through the right nostril controls and manages your physical functioning. So if you have some imbalances in the right flow, right breathing, it means something is going to happen with your physical body. Some physical pain, physical tension, physical disruption is going to happen. Same thing happens with the left nostril. If you're left breathing through the left nostril, if there's a problem there, if the flow is not proper, it means something is going to happen with your mental health. What does it mean? It means that the flow of your right nostril controls and manages your physical body, physical organs and physical functioning. The flow of your left nostril controls the mental body, mental functioning and mental health. And if you don't balance both of these, physical and mental, life is going to be challenging. So in this life, if you want to have a good health, perfect health, you have to balance this too. And our today's focus is, I'm going to explain a very ancient technique to balance the both nostril so that your physical body stays in perfect health, your mental body also get the perfect health. Namaste everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant Yoga. See, sometimes suddenly you get some pain, physical pain, without any history, without any strong hit, and you think that why I get this pain? This pain starts because something is happening. Your sun energy is not very well functioning in your body. Same thing happens, suddenly you get headache, suddenly you get problem with the sleep, suddenly you get mental sickness. It happens because the moon energy is not balancing and flowing very well in your body. So what to do to balance this? Because without balancing, you will not be able to manage the life. So the technique is, the first technique, there are three things I'll tell you. Understand, learn properly and perform nicely. See, use your index finger, place it here, okay, the corner of the nose. Now you start rubbing it, see, like that, 20 to 30 seconds. And when you rub it, you will notice that heat is generating here. Sometimes heat is that strong that you can't even rub regularly. So slow down, see. But rubbing is important because this rub, there are nadis which are going from here and controlling the both nostril flow. So once you rub, you start feeling that the both nostrils start opening. So sun start balancing, the moon start balancing. This is first thing, 20 to 30 seconds you will rub. After 20 to 30 seconds, you simply place your hands down on your knees in chin mudra and now forcefully you inhale like this. And then slowly mouth exhale. Take your time. See, longer exhalation. Again. Longer exhalation. This technique of 5 times you will do this technique where your inhalation is going faster, exhalation is smoother. Right after rubbing 20 to 30 seconds. Once you do this, you don't need to just finish the practice. After this, wait 10 seconds, let this heat become normal, and then the third technique which you will do, Anulom Vilom Pranayam, which is closing the right nostril with the right hand thumb. Softly exhale first with the left, empty your lungs, start inhaling slow and deep. Fill the air and then closing the other nostril with the ring finger and exhale right. See, like that. Then again inhale right. Then again left nostril out. So same way, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. This technique will help you to balance these two energies, Anulom Vilom. Also help you to deepen your breath. If the breath is deep, reaching to the navel, penetrating all the lungs and every areas of the body which is upper body, helps you to balance both energies. So your physical body will stay healthy, your mental body will stay healthy. Once both are balanced, energy body will be always safe, healthy. And this is what you have to do every time. So next time when you feel that energy is blocked, you feel that your physical barriers are not allowing you to do some yogic practices. In a life, these physical challenges are coming a lot. Mental barriers, can't memorize, can't remember the things, cannot sleep, all the mental condition. So these practices, 3 practices, regularly 21 days. after 1 week, you will start noticing that both energies start balancing and you start feeling that calm, peaceful and balanced, physical and mental both. Try this and share this video with your friends and others, help them too. Many of you were asking me that if you want to do a proper pranayam series practice, I have made a detailed course for you. It's called Pran Arambh. You can join this course. This is a perfect guide for you all to understand the yogic technique properly. You are understanding 7 pranayam, learning them with a proper technique, benefits, contraindication, and step-by-step clear guidance how to perform them. Joining link is in description. You practice this pranayam, learn the proper technique, and once you learn this, you will see huge change. Make a routine that every morning you will do Pran Arambh. Namaste. I'll see you soon.